When we small business owners have uncertainty about our businesses, it creates fear and overwhelm. With fear and overwhelm comes a loss of control. We have no clarity about the future. We fight fires every single day, and we use gut feel to make business decisions. We stay up nights worrying about whether or not we're going to make payroll. We stay up nights worrying about whether or not we're going to get new business, and if we get new business, are we going to do it profitably? We stay up nights worrying about whether or not we can pay our personal bills and what we're going to tell our spouses when we can't. We stay up nights worrying about what could possibly go wrong next, and we fear the embarrassment, emotional, and economic loss associated with total and complete failure. On the other hand, when you have control over your business, you have clarity about the future. You know what tomorrow will bring, and if tomorrow takes a different turn, you know how to handle it. You have the right tools and the right information to make the right business decisions. And you have all the contingencies covered. And as a result, you're able to enjoy more profit and income, pay all of your bills, have no more challenging discussions with your spouse about getting another job, and at the same time, increase the value of your business. In short, you have a business that works. My name is Michael Barbarita from Next Step CFO, and at Next Step CFO, we are a contracted Chief Financial Officer services firm. And we are providing services and producing information products that give clarity and control to small business owners, helping them make the right business decisions that lead to multiple six figures in profit and income and seven figures in business value. With over 30 years of experience in actually owning retail, manufacturing, and service companies, I truly understand the risks and opportunities of business ownership. And over the last 10 years, I've been providing clarity to small business owners through business and cash flow forecasting, key performance indicators or metrics, and business ownership experience. In this short video, and the free short videos that I put together for you available for download, I'm going to show you how to gain more clarity and control over your business, as well as helping you make better business decisions. I basically answer frequently asked questions by business owners, as well as questions that business owners should ask. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get those other free videos. So sit back and enjoy. In this video, I'm going to talk about a difficult employee question. Inferior employees. What do you do with an inferior employee when the business owner is virtually convinced that the employee market for that particular skill that the inferior employee is in is so thinly populated and thinly skilled, the replacement would either be worse or no replacement exists? Assume the inferior employees are not stealing, they just lack the talent, the ambition, or they're just plain lazy and incompetent. Many may say that it is impossible for a skill set in an employee market to be that thin. Many say that this is an easy decision and that you just get rid of the inferior employee. I get it. These are all legitimate comments, but what happens if the market is really that thin? What happens when the loss of the inferior employee results in a loss of business for an unknown period of time? What happens if the training costs to train the new employee who is being plucked from a thinly populated and talented market is expensive? I've been there. I have personally faced these types of situations in businesses that I've owned, and they do happen contrary to many who believe that an employee market, no matter what the skill set, can be thinly populated and thinly talented. In the two specific situations I was personally involved in as the business owner, I kept the inferior employees, and as a result, I believe I paid a higher price versus biting the bullet, letting go the inferior employees, and paying whatever price I had to pay, including lost business. What I found was that the inferior employees bring down other employees who are more talented, more ambitious, and more willing to work. The inferior employees are the proverbial bad apples that spoil the whole bunch, and as a result, everyone goes down with them,
making the whole operation that much more inefficient, ineffective, and disserving to the most important people in the process, the customer. Believe me, I understand how tough the decision is to cut the cord. You know that you're going to spend a lot more sleepless nights while you lose business and do not have replacements. You will personally have to work more hours, and this can be very taxing, especially when you already work crazy hours. It tears the very fiber of the business owner, but it is one of those unfortunate situations business owners encounter. The key is to take every precaution you can to prevent this during the hiring process and during the employee's first 90 days on the job, which should be the point where you're able to test the employee to see if they're going to work out or not, or what is commonly called the probation period. I look at finding employees in a tough market like looking for new business. You have to be aggressive in advertising for people. There's just simply no other way. You're competing with your competitors for people, and some of your competitors are giving signing bonuses. It can get that crazy. At the very least, you must advertise in as many periodicals as possible so that you give yourself every opportunity to find new employees.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, I have 19 other short, free videos just like it available for download. All you need to do is go to www.nextstepcfo.net, click on the link that says free videos, and we'll download those to you immediately. I look forward to helping you.